If you want to delete your Artlist account, there's no direct delete button available. In this video, I'll quickly explain what you need to do. First, cancel your subscription renewal to stop future charges, and then contact Artlist support to request permanent account deletion. Step 1 is canceling your subscription renewal, if you have an active plan. Log in to your Artlist account at artlist.io. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select My Account. Next, go to the Plan and Billings section. Scroll down to Payments, click on the three dots, select Subscription Info, and then click Cancel Renewal. This will stop future payments, but you'll still have access until the end of your current billing period. Canceling your subscription does not delete your account. To fully delete it, you must contact Artlist support. Go to the Artlist Help Center at help.artlist.io and use the chat icon in the bottom right corner, or the contact form. You can also email support at artlist.io directly and clearly request permanent account and data deletion. Make sure to include your account email, name, and any information they ask for to verify your identity. Remember, canceling your subscription only stops renewals. It does not delete your account. Deleting your account removes your personal data and your right to use Artlist assets in new projects after your license expires. To exercise your right to data deletion, you must contact Artlist support.